Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video, here you can see, here is the Mi Max smartphone. Actually, here you can see it's already broken. Now in this video, what we are going to do means, now we are going to disassemble it. It means simply I need to tell means now we are going to tear down this smartphone. Just we are going to open it up entirely. Okay, let's now time to do that. Okay, let's come on. Actually, here you can see this phone is met with accidents. Actually, the screen got broken. Okay, let's first we can remove this tempered glass. Okay, let's now time to disassemble. Let's now we are going to tear it down. Let's open it up. Oh, come on. We need to remove this side first. Let's come on. Yeah, I think it's got opened. Okay. Okay, now we are going to open this finally. Okay, now finally the back case, we are going to remove it up. You can see, actually guys, this is first time I am opening this smartphone. Actually, this is the first time which I am disassembling it. That's okay. Oh, I forgot to remove this memory card slot. Actually, so it's breaking up. Okay, let's remove it up. Oh, it is not coming. I think it's got stuck. No, I can't. I think it's got stuck. Okay, no issues. Here is the back case for Mi Max. I forgot to remove this before doing that process. No, it is not coming. Okay, no issues. This is the back case, and here you can see guys, here is the fingerprint scanner which it got connected. Here you can see it's the fingerprint scanner. And okay, here you can see the battery size, how big it is. Ooh, yeah, I don't know how much. Yeah, okay, 4760 mAh battery guys for Mi Max, Xiaomi Mi Max. Here's the fingerprint scanner. I think these are the pull tabs. Okay, here is the pull tabs. Okay, we can remove the battery first. Likewise, we need to remove the pull tabs. Actually, you can see these are all the pull tabs. Okay, here is the battery. You can see it's just sticky still. You can see how strong it is. Yeah, finally we have removed the battery guys. Here you can see, here is the Mi Max battery, 4000, how much? Yeah, 4760 mAh battery. Here you can see, here they have given some wire type connections. And okay, we need to remove this. And here you can see, here is the camera and fingerprint sensor which it got connected. And I don't know what is it. Okay, we can remove it up, and here is the vibrator motor, it seems. Okay, let's come on, we can remove this up. And okay guys, let's now we can remove this screws. Actually I have removed two screws, and here they have given some flat cable connections, it seems. Yeah, here is the flat cable connections they have given. Okay, we can remove the screws first. Oops. Okay, likewise we need to remove all screws. One, two, three. Yeah, I have removed. Finally here I need to remove it up. And guys, finally we have removed the bottom cover. Okay, we can remove it up. I don't know from where we need to pull it out. Yeah, it's came guys, you can see the case I have removed from bottom. Yeah, here it seems there is a vibrator motor, and here is the charging port. They have given a flat cable connection to this here. Okay, seems good. And okay guys, we can remove this part. Actually this is the main part. We can see the camera lens too, you can see. Let's come on. And guys, here you can see finally I have removed upper side case too. We can need to take it out. Yeah, here it came. Okay, come on. Yes, finally we have removed. Here you can see guys, here's the fingerprint sensor which is connected to this motherboard, it seems. And here is the processor and RAM. Okay, here is the motherboard guys. Actually entire motherboard is here, and here you can see guys, here is the camera. It seems it's not an optical lens, it's a normal lens only guys. Actually here you can see, seems a normal camera lens. Okay, and guys, we can remove this too. Come on. Yeah, it's came. Here you can see guys. Woohoo. I have removed entirely. Actually here is the display, and here is the processor. Actually this is the entire motherboard seems. We can remove this what they have given. And here is the front camera guys. Here you can see the small tiny camera. Here is the front camera, and here is the SIM card tray. Actually you can see. We can remove this. Yeah, it's came. We can remove this cover. And guys, here you can see I removed cover. It seems like it is a RAM. It's a D type RAM, DRAM think. And motherboard, here you can see they are given some numbers and EMI logo, matching stickers. And okay, let's we can remove it up. Let's I'm going to remove this fingerprint scanner. Yeah, fine, I have removed it separately. Here is the fingerprint scanner, guys, of Xiaomi Mi Max smartphone. And we can remove the cameras too. Let's come on. Where is the camera? Yeah, here is the camera. Here is the 16 MP camera, guys. It seems it's a 16 MP camera, PDA autofocus camera. We can remove it up. I think it seems removable only. Yeah, oops, it's fallen down. Here you can see I have removed camera too. Here is the 16 MP camera of Xiaomi Mi Max. Oops, it is in autofocus. Here you can see here is the camera of Xiaomi Mi Max 16 MP PDF camera. We can just place it separately. We can remove the front camera, guys. Here is the front camera. Here is the 5 MP camera. We can remove it up. Let's come on. Finally I've removed. Here you can see Mi Max 5 MP camera. Here you can see 5 MP camera. Okay, let's keep this part, and what we need to remove. And here they have given some sensors. It seems here you can see there's autofocus and brightness sensors were placed here, and here's the speaker for phone calls. And after that, what is it? It seems like a buttons, but it got removed already. And okay, we can take this separately by removing this flat tape. Here I have removed this flat tape, like same. Here also I'm going to remove this flat cable. Sorry, it's not a flat tape, it's a flat cable. Here you can see I have removed. And here is the okay, they have given a wire from here to here for functioning front, back, and home button. Okay, seems good. And here's the vibrator motor they are provided. And okay guys, let's remove this too. Here you can see I will remove this both. Motherboard also finally removed. And here's the flat tape, and here is the vibrator motor. It seems we can take it out. Oops, it's not coming. And okay guys, finally here you can see here is the different parts of the phone: camera, motherboard, fingerprint sensor, battery, and display. I cannot able to remove this vibrator motor because it's very strong. And here's the case for that. And another case is the front camera. Sorry, it's not a front, it's a rear camera. And here is the front camera, and here's the case. Finally SIM card trays to get stuck here. And here is the different parts of Xiaomi Mi Max, guys. Here you can see seems good, but finally display is also got broken. Here you can see it's still strong. Actually display is very strong, guys. Here you can see yeah, now only it's got crack. Nothing happened. And this is not a plastic, guys. Actually this is a metal body. You can see the sound. This is a metal body, and display is also quite superb. You can see, I don't know whether it is a good luck, guys. I'm not sure, because I purchased this smartphone around 5 to 6 years ago, it seems, or more than that, I don't know. You can see the display is also super good, guys. Actually still not breaking. Just digging this with, and it's very durable and hard. You can see. Okay, now only it's breaking. Seems good. Yeah, finally it's broken, guys. You can see the display's got broken. It seems very hard, guys. Actually the display is also, you can see now it's broken. And okay guys, finally we have disassembled and we did a full tear down of this Xiaomi Mi Max smartphone. And I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And okay guys, thanks for watching this video. I think this is the one of the special video in our channel of disassembling the mobile smartphone. And okay guys, thanks for watching this video, and do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos, guys. Bye, see you in next video.